Hi, I'm Scott Stachiw, Director of Immersive Learning here at Roundtable Learning. And today we're going to go over how to set up and use your new Google Cardboard headset. The headset arrives in a cardboard case. Simply press on the side of the headset to release the headset from the case. Lift up on the top tab of the headset to release the Velcro. Open the sides and rotate the flap over to the back side of the case. And then attach the round Velcro pieces together to secure the sides. On the inside of the headset, you'll notice two blue coverings protecting the lenses. Go ahead and remove those coverings now as well. The cardboard headset is designed to be used with your smartphone device, Apple or Android. Launch the browser on your device and go to the URL listed on the front tab. In this case, roundtablelearning.com/VR-headset. There you'll be able to access a whole bunch of different types of VR demos. When the content is launched, place your cell phone into the cardboard with the screen facing the lenses, close the front cover, and attach the Velcro strap on top. There are two ways to interact with the objects and buttons inside of the VR content that we have launched for you. The first is a gaze interaction, meaning there is a small circular reticle in the center of your screen. Place that reticle onto the object or button you want to interact with and wait for that reticle to shrink. It then activates over a certain period of time, typically 1 second. There is also capacitive touch. There's a small button on top of the box that if you place the reticle onto an object or button and press this button, the silver button on the box, it will activate just as it would as if you were touching the screen with your finger. Now there are limitations to these headsets. Number one, it's cardboard, so it's not going to last forever. Number two, you are limited to the device capabilities, meaning you do have a gyroscope inside of your cell phone, so you can look around a VR environment, but you cannot physically move in the VR environment. There are no 6 degrees of freedom with these headsets. To use those capabilities, you do need a higher quality headset like an Oculus Rift, Quest, or an HTC Vive. All right, that's it. Your headset is ready to go, and you are ready to experience all of the content waiting for you at roundtablelearning.com. Now, if you have any questions or need help getting started on developing VR content, reach out to us anytime.